Flash fill is a kind of magic tool which will repeat whatever the user showed to Excel. It can be used to extract data, combine data, split data, and many more things. Let me show you some of the uses of flash fill. Here we have a list of few celebrities. Now to extract the first name from all these names listed here, type in one of the first names in the adjacent column, Sachin, enter, go to the data tab, click on flash fill. All the first names are extracted into the adjacent column. Now for the last names, type in one of the last names, enter, flash fill, and the last names are extracted. Now for the initials, A space R, enter. Ctrl E is the shortcut for flash fill. Press Ctrl E and the initials are created. Now to convert all these letters into uppercase, type in one of the names in uppercase, enter, Ctrl E. All the names are converted into uppercase. Now for lowercase, flash fill.